Abhijit Group, one of the fastest growing private sector organization in the country, under its Vision 15,000 in the area of power sector, is setting up mega thermal power projects in the state of Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Bihar. In Bihar, JAS Infrastructure and Power Limited, a subsidiary of Abhijit Group, is setting up coal-fired power project with 4 supercritical generating units of 660 megawatt each, aggregating to an installed capacity of 2,640 megawatt at Syria and Bounsi area under Banka district in an estimated cost of 14,700 crore rupees. Required permissions for water, chimney, railway siding and environment have been obtained from the concerned government departments. Dongfang, a leading power equipment supplier in China, has been awarded BTG contract and Simplex Infrastructure Limited is carrying out civil, structural and architectural work. Basic infrastructure facilities for carrying out construction work, including site office, canteen and lodging facilities for staff and guests, have been developed in the project site.
This was a big, bold decision on our part to invest in the state of Bihar, though there was no coal available. Initially, Jharkhand government was very resistant in allowing us to take coal from Jharkhand to the Bihar itself. But then we prevailed, and now, of course, we are moving ahead with the implementation of this particular project in the state of Bihar. This particular project in Bihar will definitely bring a lot of laurels to the Bihar people in all together.
Corporate social responsibility has been identified as an important parameter in Abhijit Group's all business activities. The group undertakes welfare-driven activities in and around its project areas through Abhijit Foundation. Special focus is on community health care, socio-economic empowerment of the communities living in and around project area, women empowerment, educational assistance to the students from underprivileged background, health and legal awareness camps, infrastructure development, provision of safe drinking water for the villagers, rendering aid and assistance by way of donations in times of exigencies, sports and recreation, etc.
In line with the vision of our Abhijit Group, we are also providing CSR facilities to the local communities. And in this connections, we are providing medical help, then education help, then recreational facilities to the local communities. And we are taking care of them as to empower them for their future growth.
Abhijit Group has always envisioned that corporate social responsibilities as its one of the core values while setting up of any plant in any locations. We have successfully demonstrated the same through our investments in other states such as Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand.
Socio-economic empowerment of the communities living in and around project area through skill development and income generation training is an important component of Abhijit Foundation's CSR activities. The foundation, in association with local industrial training institutes, provides vocational training and sponsors academic education, creating more opportunities for the unemployed and thereby converting the unskilled urban-rural youth into a useful resource for the society. Employment have been provided to the local unemployed youth according to their qualification and skills. Educated unemployed youth have been provided official job and the other has been engaged as worker or office attendants or security personnel.
कंपनी में हम लोग ज़मीन दिए, उसके ज़मीन का मुआवजा मिला, उसके मुआवजे के साथ हम लोगों को नौकरी मिली। उसके बाद अभी हम लोग नौकरी कर रहे हैं, कहीं यहाँ नौकरी कर रहे हैं, कहीं बाहर दिल्ली, बम्बई, कर्नाटक कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ रहा है। हम लोग यहाँ परिवार के साथ मिलजुल के यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं सब।
Rural women, if organized, can play a critical role in development. With the belief, Abhijit Foundation has mobilized the local women and organized them into self-help groups. Today, group members hold regular meetings and make regular savings. Skill development and income generation training programs are organized on regular basis for the economic empowerment of the group members.
हम लोग मीटिंग करते हैं प्रत्येक सप्ताह को 10-10 रुपये जमा करते हैं और उसमें से लगभग 14,000 रुपये तक हो गया। कुछ बैंक में भी जमा है और कुछ फिर दूसरे को ऋण अलग ग्रुप से बाहर लोगों को देते हैं और ग्रुप के अंदर भी लोगों को देते हैं।
We are developing the swing centers for the local girls over there. They are coming in big way. We are providing them all financial support to get the swing machines. We are encouraging them to go for the soap soda factories where we are assuring them the consumption of entire 100% soap soda made for our own use. We are encouraging them to make some wooden bamboo baskets over there, which has got a tremendous market in the vegetable areas. Like that, there are so many initiatives. We are likely to develop some cattle farms also with the help of local societies.
Quality education to the underprivileged rural children has always been the concern for Abhijit Group. Initiatives undertaken for qualitative changes in schools, imparting education to students from economically challenged family, are construction of school buildings, financial support to the existing village schools for renovation of school buildings and addition of classrooms, provision of infrastructure facilities in schools, distribution of educational material to the students, supplementation of teachers in government-run schools, financial support to the poor students, etc.
अभिजीत ग्रुप द्वारा हमारे स्कूल में तरह तरह का मदद मिल रहा है। विभिन्न तरह का आयोजन किया जाता है। समय समय पर स्पोर्ट्स, चित्रांकन प्रतियोगिता आदि कराया जा रहा है। हमारे सरकारी स्कूलों में अभी शिक्षकों की कमी है, जिसे अभिजीत ग्रुप द्वारा गांव के पढ़ी लिखी महिलाओं को प्रशिक्षण दे करके इन्हें स्कूल में पढ़ाने हेतु भेजा जा रहा है।
Provision of medical health care facilities for below poverty line family is an important area of CSR activities of Abhijit Foundation. The foundation organizes regular medical camps in the interiors of project areas, ensuring basic health care to the villagers, who often lack the medical facilities. These camps get a large number of patients with all kinds of problems. Patients are provided with free treatment and medicines. Ambulance service has been started by the foundation to bring the patients from adjoining localities to the camps. Critically ill patients are referred to government-run referral hospital or provided financial assistance for further treatment anywhere in the country.
वो अपने यहाँ कैंप्स लगा करके रोगियों की जांच तथा यहाँ के रोगियों को एम्बुलेंस से अस्पताल पहुँचाना, फैमिली प्लानिंग में काफ़ी मदद करना, मोतियाबिंद के ऑपरेशनों के कैंप लगा रहे हैं। उसमें सारी सुविधाएं खाने पीने से लेकर के IOL लगाना, उसकी भी सुविधा दी जा रही है। इसके साथ हमारे रेफरल अस्पताल में जो अपना कार्य चल रहा है, उसमें भी इन्होंने अपना एक प्लानिंग दे करके कि हम उसमें बर्न वार्ड और सिजेरियन ऑपरेशन करने के लिए ऑपरेशन थिएटर और साथ ही उसमें ट्रॉमा सेंटर टाइप का वो डेवलप कराने के लिए उसके लिए भी एक्शन प्लान बन चुका है।
Health promotion activities of Abhijit Foundation also includes preventive measures like sensitization of rural community on health issues, distribution of bleaching powder for well water purification, spray of DDT in villages to control epidemic like malaria, etc. The alarming population growth rate has motivated the foundation to join hands with the local government health functionaries to sensitize the ignorant villagers about the need of family planning and to organize family planning camps.
Apart from this, we are trying to increase the hygiene in the local areas in terms of providing good drinking water, good workable roads, and then providing necessary hard infrastructure in terms of getting good electricity. Of course, we cannot directly give them electricity, but then we are providing all necessary hard support in terms of transformers, cables, conductors, etc., towers, for getting them, for making the power available to them.
Abhijit Foundation has undertaken massive infrastructure development work, including construction of approach roads, construction of yatri sheds, repairing and deepening of village ponds, electrification of de-electrified villages, erection of solar lights in remote villages, renovation of old village temples, beautification of important places, installation of display boards at strategic locations, etc. Provision of safe drinking water in remote areas facing acute drinking water shortage is an important component of Abhijit Foundation's infrastructure development programs. Environment is another major social concern for the foundation. The foundation has undertaken massive plantation work inside and outside the plant area to maintain the ecological balance.
A very concurrent and live example is definitely a Chandwa plant, which we started 3 years back. Now it is a demonstrable thing over there. More than 12,000 people are associated with this project, and the way the entire atmosphere has changed over there in the last 2 years is absolutely an example that what is going to happen to Banka after 2 years.
Respecting the religious sentiments of the local people, Abhijit Foundation has a plan to build a magnificent temple of Ma Durga in the project site as it has built in its Chandwa site.